the ultimate AI-powered conversational agent. As technology evolves, conversational agents have become an essential tool for many businesses to engage with their customers. One of the most advanced conversational agents available in the market today is ChatGPT, an AI-powered virtual assistant developed by OpenAI. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational agent built on the state-of-the-art natural language processing (NLP) model, which enables it to understand and generate human-like responses. It is designed to provide an immersive conversational experience to users and can engage with them in natural language. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT uses a combination of machine learning and deep learning algorithms to analyze and interpret user input. It can understand the context of the conversation, recognize the intent behind the user's input, and generate appropriate responses. The model is trained on a vast corpus of human language data, which enables it to learn and improve its responses over time. What are the benefits of using ChatGPT? ChatGPT has several advantages over traditional chatbots. Here are some of them. Human-like responses. ChatGPT generates responses that are similar to human-like conversations, making it easier for users to engage with the agent. Personalized experience. ChatGPT can learn from previous conversations and use that information to provide a more personalized experience to users. Multilingual support. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, making it an ideal tool for businesses that operate in multiple countries. 24/7 availability. ChatGPT can operate 24/7, providing round-the-clock support to users. Improved customer engagement. With ChatGPT, businesses can improve their customer engagement and satisfaction by providing a seamless conversational experience to users. Conclusion. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced conversational agents available in the market today. Its ability to understand and generate human-like responses, coupled with its personalized and multilingual support, makes it an ideal tool for businesses looking to improve their customer engagement. As the technology evolves, we can expect ChatGPT to become even more advanced and sophisticated in the coming years.